Randstad Inhouse Services, your on-site business partner for contingent workers. Our mission? To help our clients meet their goals in terms of cost savings, quality, productivity, and growth by establishing a dedicated account team on site. Our account team is at the heart of the action, in direct contact with you and your contingent workers. So, who takes part in this team? The account specialist, the key player, is responsible for the daily operations, such as recruiting and managing the contingent workforce. The process manager, also referred to as workforce analyst, is the process expert. Analyzes your HR processes in order to optimize the deployment of your workforce and drive efficiencies. The commercial manager is overall responsible for managing the account team and your deliverables. At Randstad, we combine the power of today's technology with the passion of our HR professionals to meet our commitments. 100% fulfillment of orders and overall reduction of the total cost of employment. Randstad Inhouse Services.